Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And first of all, I would like to thank to all of you from the East Coast to the West Coast, all the way down to Mexico for your likes and your subscriptions. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And hey, if you want to learn how to make really cool cocktails, just subscribe now. And let me show you today. By popular demand, we're gonna keep going with the summer margaritas. And this is an amazing one. This is a cucumber and watermelon margarita. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, so what are we gonna need? Obviously, we're gonna need some tequila. We're gonna need some watermelon. We're gonna need some cucumber. We're gonna need, of course, your Tajin, fresh lime juice, agave nectar, and one Muddler. So, we're gonna start with this thing. I'm gonna make 2 cocktails today. And we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces per each cocktail. Obviously, I just like to go for 1.5 ounces, but hey, it is your cocktail, it is your house. You're more than welcome to go for up to 2 ounces if you want to. Nobody's gonna say anything. 2 ounces of fresh lime juice per cocktail. So we're gonna go for 4 ounces. Okay, let's get into the sweets. So agave nectar, obviously, go for 1/2 ounce per each cocktail. So we're gonna go for 1 full ounce for 2 cocktails. And here comes the fun part. You're gonna put some chunks of seedless watermelon. You're gonna put some chunks of seedless English cucumber. And we're gonna proceed to muddle. Remember that when you muddle, you press down and then you twist, trying to break down the flavors of the cucumber and mixing it with the nice water part of the watermelon. Let's get to our ice. And right here, you gotta shake. Very good. Okay, we got our beverage ready. Let's go for the nice presentation. So, remember, you're gonna need your Pac-Man, half of rim, across your Tajin, add your ice. So we're gonna add our cocktail. We're gonna do what is called the double straining. Remember, one is right here. The second one is gonna be the small little one. And we're gonna catch everything right here. Dip in your watermelon and set it on top of your cocktail. And there you got it. The summer cucumber watermelon margarita. Salud.